my microphone was muted. And I was like,
told you?
no one told me because no one was watching it at the time. It was for the fans, you know, for the future, but it was like interpretive mime. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to actually go to Twitch to my own channel and check if it's playing. So it'll, I can see us on there.
I can see us too.
Yeah. Why don't you check it out and see if there's any sound? Because if I do it here, it'll like double back through the,
But the question is how?
click on play.
Right, I click on watch. Can you say something?
I'm saying something. How's that? Watch now with 2 viewers. I'm going to try it as well.
I don't hear.
No sounds?
Yeah.
I can hear something through your headphones.
I think so, that I hear us double now, so that must be something in there.
Okay. What?
Yeah. I hear me.
Okay, great.
Hearing my voice. I can hear me. So yeah, it's working.
Okay, good. Oh, it looks pretty cool. Okay. See my desktop. Okay. The name of the stream, it says integrating n8n with Camunda Cloud, which is not correct. Let me change it here.
Yeah.
Title. Okay, great.
Hearing my voice. I can hear me. So yeah, it's working.
Okay, good. Oh, it looks pretty cool. Okay. Control V. Done. Save that. Okay, I can pause it. Okay, good. It's working.
Cool.
Stream. Go there. And update the title in here as well so that it's the same on YouTube. And then I guess the thing to do is let people know on Twitter that it's happening and come check it out.
Do you have people in your time zone that are joining?
There are some people in this time zone, yeah. Not the only one here in the future. Like about 4 million people in this country. There's like 20 million odd, 26 million in Australia. How many of them?
The best way is you tweet and I retweet, because I think people know that you are on Twitch. People don't know that I am on Twitch because I'm normally not. So probably.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. So.
Is this how people join? Because you posted on Twitter?
Yes.
That's interesting. I mean, Twitch is a new media for me, so I just watched one stream live because a friend did music over it, which was kind of nice.
Oh yeah. Which stream is that?
Can send you it's called Anti Studio. Put it in the chat.
With at.
Yeah, they are offline.
Studio Live. Here we go. Okay. Coding live on Twitch.
No.
Here we go. Wait. Tagged you in it, so should show up. Okay, cool. 3 people are watching.
I'm one. You are the other one.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Need for Eat says the audio is a little bit low, so let me crank it up in that case. Do that. I'll move this out of the way. Delete it. To here, this, and then turn on the overdrive. How does that sound? That should be a bit louder. wonder if I can bust this window out. Let's see. Nope, no louder. Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn up this overdrive thing here. 4 times overdrive, 260. Let's crank this thing up. This should make it louder. It's still pretty low. Let me crank it up even more. What about this? Louder, louder. Doesn't go much louder than that.
You're getting louder for me.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's weird.
Yeah, let me bust this window out. I think if I press this button here. Yes. Look. Oh, you can't see my screen unless you're looking at it in the Twitch stream.
Okay, so we cannot do screen sharing here. So
we can.
But
we can. Yeah.
We can. But
Yeah. You can easily see my screen if you have like a. How many monitors do you have? 2?
True.
Okay, so if you open Twitch in one monitor and just turn the volume down and leave it open, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm seeing.
Okay. Cool.
Which at the moment includes the chat.
Yes, but there's this person saying it's still too, like the audio is not working, right?
Yeah, saying the audio is a little bit low, a little too low.
Okay.
Let me see if I can add a filter in OBS. Filters. Oh, okay. Oh, it's got a compressor on it. Output gain. Just crank the output gain right up. There we go. That should make it louder. Can you say something, Nella, so I can hear?
Yes, I can say something. Test, test.
There we go. Boom. 2 thumbs up. It's working.
Problem solved.
Okay, on to the next problem. Which is what?
Python?
Python. Yeah.
I mean, that's the reason. Have you managed to run your
Tests?
workers against cloud again?
You know that HTTP 429 too many requests thing? I think I found the problem, yeah. I have a Minecraft server running here and it's connected to Camunda Cloud and I think it was like hosing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So we can use even like, can you send me again, like I have my IDE open here. Could you just send me an invite again to your project?
Yeah, I can do that. So, live coding.
You fixed the test already, right? So
you know, I made the changes to the tests, but I haven't been able to get them to run.
Oh. So you haven't created a PR. I thought you created a second PR.
I created a second PR, but I still haven't got them to run. That's the only thing.
Okay.
Yeah, so here's my second PR here. See, there was a failing test in yours?
Yeah, there was a failing test and this person replied to me and told me that it's easy to fix, but I had no time this week, so...
Yeah, so I fixed it because I had a bit of time.
You fixed it. Yeah, you had more time, probably.
I can't run the test locally, but they run in GitHub.
Yeah.
So...
I mean... That looks good then, right?
Yeah, I think so.
What was the second thing we wanted to fix from there?
Well, we wanted to actually write the getting started guide, so we wanted to run a test. Oh, yeah, we wanted to add support for the topology command.
Yes.
So that we can verify that it's actually connecting to Camunda Cloud.
That would be very handy, actually, because we could not see any output when we connected the last time.
What is this?
What?
Close. I don't know, I updated Visual Studio Code, now it's like blowing up by the look of it. Also, my CPU is at 100%.
Ah, that's not good, Josh.
No. It's OBS and Zoom running at the same time.
It's Zoom, probably. Zoom is like a killer for the CPU.
Oh, isn't it? Yeah.
It is.
Reopen, I'll try that. Oh no, why did I restart to update? I should have just like kept going with it. I'm a sucker for that. Updating everything to the latest version and then it blows up. Okay, here we go. Come on.
It's a little bit funny because if I watch the Twitch thing, I see that we are slightly back in time, you know, it's like
Yes.
it's
Like time travel.
time travel back. It's a little bit funny.
All right, it's working.
Cool.
Okay, I'm in the wrong project though. I'm in my n8n project. So open recent PyZB. And let's bring back the zoom. I wish there was a thing in Mac OS where you can float on top. You have that in Ubuntu, right? Where you can float a window on top of others and pin it.
Yes, I think so. Or pin it? I don't know. I never pinned something, but you can float them, definitely.
Keep on top. Okay, so we're going to extend the Python client to add support for the status or the topology command. It's funny because in the ZBCuttle CLI, it's called status, but the actual gRPC API call is called topology. So which one do you
know why?
I don't know. I implemented it as topology in the Node client just to map it to the gRPC call. See,
Let's do it here. I mean, let's do it then as well here, right? And not use status, or still use status.
I think topology should stick to the API. How do I start a live share thing? Oh, that's right. I had to is it? No, Remote Explorer. I had to use Command Shift P. Live share, start collaboration session, share.
And then you sent me the link, right? And I just...
Yeah.
I might even can close this one here, and this is not needed. I'm still not sure where I want you. Maybe here on the screen. And I want my IDE on the big screen.
Start the collaboration session. So Spring 1 completely finished now, huh?
Yes, it's over. It was 2 days full of really good talks. And I think they will have them online next week. So there will be a chance that we can rewatch them. It was almost too much to watch all the program. Like from 2 p.m. till 12 a.m. my time, 2 days, 6 tracks full of program.
Epic. That's a lot of program.
It's a lot of program. I didn't make it to the Zumba they showed. So they had a Zumba class. Didn't make it.
Not now. You know, when Visual Studio Code first came out, it was like super cool, super light, super fast. It's my own fault though. I've just been like installing everything.
Have you sent me the link already?
No, it's still trying to figure itself out. It's like downloading OmniSharp for OS X, installing C# dependencies. It's trying to install something for Python. I've got it set up too much stuff. And then Zoom and OBS are running at the same time, so my computer is like crawling. It's like I'm working on an 8-bit computer, a Commodore 64 or something.
Well, maybe you have to get a new one. No, probably not a new one, but more.
Yeah, you know,
more RAM allocation or something like that.
Oh, I've got 32 gigs of RAM in it, and it's got an i9. It's a ridiculously powerful computer, but yes, it does not like Zoom and OBS.
Yeah, I don't know. Zoom always is really a killer, so it really eats your CPU.
Is there another Is there something else we could use?
We could use Jitsi.
Yeah, okay. Do you have a Jit? I've actually got a Jitsi server running in the cloud, but I haven't been able to get the firewall to open.
I think there are some, like you don't have to run it on your own. I think there are some provided Jitsi servers. Should I look it up?
Yeah, let's try that. Let's try something else, because Zoom is like, it's not a long-term solution that's really worthwhile.
Why do I? Okay. I just. There's this meet.jit.z, so maybe we can use this one.
Okay,
Jit.z.
Z spelled.
Where did I send you the link? It's in the chat.
Okay. Yeah, we would say meet.jitc in English. All right, it's opening. No account needed. Install the extension. Nah. Are you going to start a meeting?
Pardon.
Yeah. Yeah.
Called it Josh and Nela, and I joined the meeting. Yeah, I'm in that meeting. I just need to invite you now.
Okay.
Well, that's easy.
Can you send it to me on Slack?
Yes, I can send it on you. Should we just hang up for?
Well, let's get this one first. Otherwise, we'll just lose our existing connection and then not have a new one. That would suck.
Okay.
Okay. Copy the link. I wonder if
it cannot access my camera. What? Why?
Maybe because Zoom is doing it. I don't know. Or maybe maybe you need to give it permissions for your browser because it's in a browser, right?
Yeah, it says install Chrome extension. No.
Wow.
Well, I mean, join and then see. I mean, the most important part is not seeing me, it's listening to me, right?
Oh, I don't know. It's kind of both. Join the meeting. Let's try this.
Ah, I see you.
You can see me?
I can see, I see your icon. Can you hear me? Yeah, I hear myself.
I can definitely hear you in here, yeah. Oh, you've got yours. Oh no, that's mine set to OBS virtual camera.
Should I hang on and Zoom and see if my camera will start working here?
Yeah, give it a go.
Where's Zoom?
Mute in here. And I'll just end the Zoom meeting. That'll kill it. Here we go. End meeting for all.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Can you hear me here?
Yeah, I can hear you. It's pretty loud. Yeah.
Oh, no.
It's epic.
Now I have some problems here. This is not good.
This is programming for you. We're just like exchange one problem for another one.
My camera should work.
Can you see me?
But Josh, I can't hear you.
Oh, you can't hear me? Okay.
Can't hear you. Why is that? Let me figure out. You can hear me, right?
I can hear you, and can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yeah, there you go.
Nice. Cool. Nice. Okay, cool. This is better.
Oh, okay. No, hang on. World Potato says we should use OBS Ninja. Let's try this.
Okay.
OBS.ninja. Jumping between different sources. Epic. Thanks, World Potato. Create a room. Try this.
Is it open source?
I'm not sure. It's hosted. Let's have a look. So I'm just gonna put in a password. Let's do this. I don't know what we're doing here. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so let me grab this password so I can send it to you. Enter the room's control center. Okay. Copy the link. Here's a link for you. Try this.
Where do you send it?
On Slack. Try that.
Okay.
And here's the password. Because people are watching live, so make it so that it's a little bit secure, kinda. It's the password there.
Okay. Have it. Join with camera.
Yep.
Audio. It says no audio source, but maybe because I'm having this audio now connected to Jitsi.
Could be.
Okay, let's see. Starting camera failed to load. Yeah, maybe it's another application is using it.
Okay.
Okay, so should we hang on in Jitsi so we meet in OBS Ninja?
Let's try that.
Okay, see you in OBS Ninja.
Okay, see you there. Audio output destination. Oh, okay, that, hang on, where was that? Here. Audio output destination. I don't know, let's try that. Advanced audio. Okay, close the sessions. Here we go. Add to scene 1. Add to scene 1. I have no idea what I'm looking at. This is you, the director. You're also a performer. Huh. Okay, where's the room? How do I go to the room? Guests can hear each other. Links, invite guests and scenes. Need for it. I'll find out if there is oh, here we go. I can see someone. Is this someone else? Transfer message, hang up, copy solo link. Hello? I don't know if we're going to get to actual Python with this. Let's try this. I'll try calling Nella on Slack.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm alone in this ninja thing.
Okay. I can see something in this ninja thing, but okay, maybe
I'm in the room definitely called Josh and Nela, but I don't see you.
okay. Yeah, I've got no idea what I'm looking at here. It looks, I can see someone, but anyway, I think we'll probably need to test that more. What about if we just use the Slack thing?
Yep, okay.
that.
Oh my god, we should rename this. Like, it's not like Josh and Nele hacking Python. It's like Josh and Nele trying different video conference tools.
100%. Yeah, this is definitely have no.
I'm hanging on in the Ninja. I'm hanging on a Ninja, so I'm out there. I'm starting now the Zoom thing. Sorry, the Slack thing.
Yeah. Let me turn on my video on here. Okay, you can see me in the corner.
Sorry.
Slack call.
Okay.
I'm not using .NET Core. Okay, so where we got to before is we want to do a live share of this. So let me see if I can get the live share. Start collaboration session. Starting collaboration session. Done. Oh, Need for Eat's asking about recordings of Spring 1.
I think they will be online 7th of September next week.
Right on, 7th of September.
I think I saw that yesterday.
I slacked you the link.
I think the keynote yesterday was funny, but I missed it. So I was at our virtual booth at Camunda, so could not watch the keynote, but I heard from the folks that the keynote was funny, the one from yesterday.
Okay.
So, yeah.
I sent you it in Slack, the link for the live share session.
Cool. Join the live session from your favorite developer tool. How does it know?
How does it know which is your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like you can join from your favorite developer tool as long as that developer tool is Visual Studio Code.
True. Now I have to enter the URL again.
Okay.
Shit.
I wonder. Let's see.
Yes, I'm joining you. Can't hear you.
That's because I'm not saying anything.
Okay.
So let me.
Here I am. Boom. I can't see you, probably. Or do I see collaboration people here?
Yeah, this is epic.
Yeah, it's loading Python extensions here at your project.
This is pretty cool what I'm doing here. I'm going to float. I'm capturing the window. Are you looking at do you have the Twitch window open?
Nope. Should I?
Yeah.
Why not? Found a little bit irritating to see us double, you know?
Yeah. And then I might just put on my floating head as well. So my floating head in here. The important things, a scene. So add a scene, floating head. I was paying for this thing called Ecamm Live, and yeah, it just works a lot better than this. Okay, there we go. That's the setup.
Cool.
Epic and legendary. Hopefully this is working okay.
So my IDE, Visual Code Studio, my favorite IDE is still loading.
Okay. Yeah, but now...
Is it for you also? Is it also yours that
No, mine's loaded. But I have, on my monitor here, I'm just looking at Visual Studio Code. And if you have a look at Twitch, it's like got me floating in the corner, and then it's got a picture of you floating on top, but that's not actually on my monitor.
Nice. Let me check that. Twitch. Well, we see you twice on Twitch, right? So you are like in my corner as well.
Yeah.
Nice.
This OBS Ninja thing, if I can get it working, could be good. Anyway, I'll have a look at it later. It's still loading?
Yeah, it seems loading, like it says Python extension loading. Do you see me already as a collaborator in your project?
Let me see.
I mean, I cannot open. No, I should not click on too many things.
No, I don't know. No, there are no. Oh, yes, I can see you. You're currently editing test unit credentials, Camunda Cloud credentials test.
I don't edit it. I try to just open it, and that's where I have this loading thing, and it says Python extension loading.
Okay. Yeah.
I cannot like open the folder to see what's in there. Which is a little bit. Should I try? Like, I could try to reconnect.
Yeah, give it a crack.
Okay, let me just give it a.
Yep, it said you left the collaboration session.
And now it should open again, right?
It said that you joined.
Now it looks better. Yes. I can now. Oh no, I opened the test folder. I now want to open the unit folder, and again loading.
Okay, while that's loading, check out -b. This is topology command. I'll create a new branch.
Okay, you know what? I just leave you one more time. I come back.
Okay.
I mean, that worked the last time.
Okay, you've joined again. I'm just really surprised that with the computers as powerful as they are, something that seems so simple just is like so difficult.
I'm also wondering, the last time it was so smooth, I just opened it and I was there, and now it says here Python extension loading, and it's loading forever.
I wonder if it's because, I don't know, this is a long shot, because I'm streaming on Twitch at my end, that it's like, I don't know, uses up too much RAM or something, or too much
From your side?
Yeah.
Can you check it? I mean, can you open your terminal and check how much you use?
Well, it's using like 78, no, it says that OBS is using 522% of the CPU.
I mean, we can also see if I can use your fork, open it in my IDE, and then I invite you.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Hang on, let me push this, and then I'll add you as a collaborator to it, hey?
Yeah, that should work.
Yeah, okay. So, I go here.
And close it.
settings. Yeah, I think this is where I do it. Dun, 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 dun. Add collaborators, secrets pages, blah 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 blah. Manage access. Here we go.
Can you give me the link?
I can.
Be helpful.
So if you, let's have a look. Slack. Yeah, if you fork this, if you not fork, if you check this repo out.
Yes, I have checked it out.
Okay, cool. Invite a collaborator. Okay. What's your name on GitHub?
It's N-L-E-A.
NLEA?
N-L-E-A, yes.
Boom. Invite.
Why? That's a problem.
Pending invite.
I guess I see that now in GitHub somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
I actually do not know where you see that.
it's not on my notification.
Yeah, no, it doesn't show up in there. Try going to the repo itself.
Yes, I'm on the repo in GitHub, and I go maybe. Where do I go? You know what? I just go to my emails, because probably I would get an email from GitHub saying, "Hey, someone invited you to collaborate."
Yeah, you do. But that's a real design fail, I think, for GitHub.
Yeah, it should be somewhere visible in GitHub. I think so too. Or maybe I'm just like, it's just me that I can't find it.
No, it's not. I've encountered this before.
Password. Yes, I accept your invitation. Perfect.
Okay.
And now I just open it in my ID. And I mean, I can try to invite you as a...
Live share?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try that.
Wait, that's the wrong thing. Okay, cool. How was this live Sherry invite thing go again? I go for
Control-Shift-P, and then you type in live or something like that. Stop the session.
no, can't find it. Live share. Ha. Share. Do I trust you? It says I just can send it to you if I trust you.
Do you trust me?
I think so. Let's see. You start messing up on my computer. It's the last time we do this here.
Okay, it's actually got a chat feature in it as well. This is over the top. Crazy. Okay, so if I click on this here. It's opening some kind of URL. Joining.
I can even send it again to you.
No, it's okay. It says, it's a weird error message. It says, a share happened, but conversation ID was not set. Please email mowillia at microsoft.com so she can reproduce this with your steps. Okay.
But I see here, because we did that recently, I can just say recent contacts Josh Bulls, and I can invite you by mail.
Hang on a second. Trust. So I think it's working now. It's restarting.
Okay.
Trust this workspace to enable all features. Manage. Workspace. Trust. 43 extensions. Maybe I need to get rid of some of my extensions.
Maybe. You have to kill your darlings.
Or maybe,
Or one of your darlings.
maybe I need to get more. Maybe that's the problem.
How much do you have?
I have 43 extensions.
Is there one that you don't use at all?
Probably most of them.
Okay.
Yeah. Opening remote session. Okay, it says it's opening the session.
Yes, I see you. Woohoo, you are here. Welcome on my computer.
Okay. Let me try opening this live share thing. Would like to access your reminders. Whatever. Okay. Session chat. Yeah, so it's got a chat.
Where do you see the chat?
Where do I see it? Let me see.
Write something in the chat, maybe I can see it if you write something.
Hello. Try that. Is this thing on? Okay. It's just going to nowhere.
Ah, I see it as well.
You can see it?
Did you see my message?
No.
I'm in the session chat.
Yeah, I'm in the session
Weird.
chat, but can't see it.
Okay, chat is not working.
Yeah.
I mean, we can talk, so we're not using the chat.
That's better. Okay, so the branch. So I created a branch called topology command.
So let me open your terminal.
Ooh. Ah, this is cool. I can see you
No,
typing
you-
in your terminal.
I haven't created a branch. Oh, I cannot see it.
If you do git fetch -a, that might grab it down.
Oop.
Oh no, that tells you what branch you're on. You need to do git checkout.
Ah, there we are.
Yeah.
Cool. Perfect.
Now, as I recall, we actually got to figuring out how it was structured. It uses like an adapter. Yeah, the ZB adapter. Go to the definition of the ZB adapter. gRPC internals. Yep.
Do I see where you are again in this? I normally should see you, right? I should see.
Okay, so I can do a request here. So I think I go request the other participants to follow you. Try that.
Ah, yeah, cool. I see you now. Cool. Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's structured with a ZB adapter. And then there's a job adapter, a message adapter, and a workflow adapter. So what's missing from that is like the cluster adapter.
Mm-hmm.
Which really only has one command, which is topology. So maybe we could create that, the ZB cluster adapter.
Cluster. Yeah, so that seems like the plan.
Okay. Let's have a look at the workflow adapter. See how it's written. Okay, this looks pretty easy. So, if I just copy this stuff. What do they say? Good artists borrow, great artists steal. Whereas David said, he says, good developers copy.
And paste.
Yeah, but then he said, good developers copy, great developers paste, and then he said, legendary developers delete.
Ooh.
Yeah. Like taking code out.
What do you want to be now?
Legendary. Yeah, let's just start taking stuff out. Okay, so I'm going to create this new PY. Yep. ZB cluster adapter. And then just paste the code in. Boom. Okay. Is it doing it? No?
Oh.
Doing. Yes.
Ah, no. Yeah.
Yes?
No.
No.
I don't see any.
It's pasted it in the wrong place. Yeah, okay, it's there, but I also pasted it in.
Now you have a double in the. You did not import JSON. Well, just paste it in the cluster thingy.
Yeah, here we go.
And then we can. I don't see it. Do you see me adding?
I see you adding blank lines, yeah.
I don't, like, maybe it does not allow, like, let me copy and paste. Maybe I can do it.
I don't know, you just deleted some of the imports. Hang on. Let me,
Oh no.
I'm just like undoing it.
You're doing it manually now.
No, I'm just doing undo because, there we go.
Now I see them. I haven't seen them in my, I just see import JSON, import OS now. That's what I'm seeing in my thing.
Okay.
But you wanted to copy and paste the whole block, right?
Yeah, I did all of the imports. They should all be there. So now I'm going to copy the class definition and one of the methods. Let's have a look. I mean, it must be pasting it in here and then it's trying to communicate with your...
Yeah, now I see that you create the class DB workflow adapter.
Okay.
But from the imports, you have just here JSON and OS.
You don't see import gRPC?
Nope.
Okay. I can see that on mine. Like, the ZB cluster adapter is on line 13.
On line, I'm not on line 13, I'm at line 12, and there it stops.
What's on?
So I have in line 1 the import JSON, line 2 the import OS, and then I see that you in line 3 have this class DB workflow adapter. And there you have the create the definition.
Wow. Okay. Let's have a look at the Twitch stream.
Yeah, maybe.
You can see what
about Twitch to see what you are doing.
yeah,
So
you can see what mine looks like.
But I mean, I should see it in my IDE. That's supposed the sharing feature here of the.
So you don't see that?
No. Oh my God, it looks so different on Twitch.
Okay. Well, in that case, this sharing thing is hopeless.
It worked the last time. Okay, let's go. I can share my screen if you like to, so I can show you what I see in my IDE.
Yeah, let's do it.
So, see? This is what I see. I see here and the import statements in 1 and 2, and here that's the class you pasted in, but the others are missing. You see it?
Yeah. Yep. Like everything's missing. Everything.
Yeah.
And then on line 12 where I'm typing cluster, that's actually, I replaced workflow adapter on line 3 with cluster adapter.
And we are in the cluster adapter, so it's a right file.
Can you, what happens if you right click on ZB cluster adapter, can you do like refresh or something on there?
On this one here?
What if you close it?
No.
Close it and open it again? What does that do?
Oh.
No. So what's the actual canonical reality then? Let me close mine and then open it again and see what it says. So I'm theoretically looking at what's on your computer. So if I now double click this cluster adapter, it's opening, thinking about opening.
Interesting.
Wow, this is taking it a while. This collaborative coding thing is it needs a bit of work.
I mean, it must be combination of Twitch and collaboration coding because the last time it worked.
Yeah. Well, let's try this.
Last Friday.
I'll stop the Twitch stream and then we'll see if that fixes it. Thanks to Need for Eat for the audio feedback and Will Potato for the heads up on Jitsi server and Discord and OBS Ninja. So we'll look into that more for next time. But for now, we're going to troubleshoot this by seeing if stopping Twitch does it. Stay frosty. Stop streaming and